Next one. Ayan, dalawa bola. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Jumble between number 22 and number 1. Nakuha ni number 9, Bruce, pass to number 8, Kilala, pull up it, no good, dali daw ni number mo. Number 20, pass to number 00, pass to number 24, Santos sa ticket play, Santos umate, pinasa, nakuha number 22, pass to number 10, sa Pino Neves, good for 2.
Idol!
G, pero mga ano?
Teka lang, sintas lang. Ulit, from the top. Number 24 pass to number 20, pass to number 24, Santos sa ticket play. Pass to number 20, mukhang titira. Number 20 sa mag-apra. Left flat, nakuha ni number 26, Sanchez. Pass to number 9. Advance. P-ball. Bakit mo po niya number 24, Santos setting play. Pass to number 00. Mendoza. Hingin number 4. Marcelo. Foul number 10. First personal foul, first team foul. Inbound number 20. Pass number 24. Number 24, buwang natin, number 24. Pinasa, number 4. Marcelo, no good. Dali ball ni number 22. Pass number 10. Number 10 na sa papasahan. Bigay number 26. Sanchez, number 26. Bigay number 9. Back to number 26, pass to number 22, number 10, no good, dali ball number 4, Marcelo, pass to number 24, number 24, binigay kay number 00, bumunggo, line, yellow ball. Number 10, pass to number 9. Number 10, pass number 26. Nakatek, nakuha number 24. Bigay number 00, nakuha ni number 8. Pass number 10. Sabillo, pull up is. No good, dali mo, Nino, ni number 22. Number 24, bigay number 10. Pass number 9. Pass number 8, pass number 26. Number 26, pass number 8. Number 8 for 3. Bang! Number 24, lumusok. No good, dali mo ni number 26. Score natin, 0-5. Number 9, Cruz, pass number 26 for 3. No good, dali mo number 4. Pass number 0-0, Mendoza. Pass number 1, Santos, full of this. Malakas, binigay number 10. Number 9 for 3. No good. Number 20 mga sasagasa binigay number 4. Umikot-ikot. Nakuha number 20. Under is good for 2. Good for 3. Number 4, number 20, number 20. Binigay sa ilalim ng number 1. Number 1 na traffic, binigay kay number 8, Kilala. 2 on 1 play. Number 10, nahanap kay number wala. Number 8. Number 4 may foul. Foul number 24. First personal foul.
Alik! Kakaway ka,
First one, number 8 is.
Buti na lang iniisip ko na kayo yan. Kasi hinahanap ko yung labasan, di ko makita eh. Sabi ko, ito yun, Ugong Pasaway.
No good. Dari ball number 20. Pass number 24. Teka lang daw. Number 24, second play. Umate. Binigay sila number 1. Pass number 0, Mendoza. Traveling violation. Number 8. Pass number 9. Cruz. Cruz, pass to number 10. No good. Dari ball number 1. Pass number 20. Pass number 24. Number 24. Pass number 0. Pass number 1. Santos. No good. Dari ball number 22. Number 8. Diretso. Foul. Foul number 4. First personal foul. Second team foul. Mandatory sub. Palitan nyo. Mamaya na 8, tira ka pa. Two shots given to number 8, Kilala. First shot is no good. Second shot is shot. Palitan nyo na yan. May tapilog pa yan. Yon! Gagi. Dumong the second. Number 11. Pass number 0-0. Number 0-0. Nag-aaral pa sa atin ni number 24. Number 24. 4-3. No good. Body down ni number 7. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 3. Wala ka pinito. Pinigay kay Podoy. Pass to number 52. Matias. Kala ko titira na eh. Bam! Goal! Okay ka ha? Alam mo ha? Number 24. Humate. Binigay. Nice team. Now number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 12. Sanchez. Number 12, Lepes, goal for goal. Score natin.
Wala, mandatory.
Score natin, 2-13 in favor. Labasan. Number 4, Marcelo, pumukol sa 3. No good. Naribaw ni number 0-0, Mendoza. No good pa rin. Naribaw ni Pukuda. Number 21. Pass number 11. Number 11, Bautista. Goal for goal. Go my lads! Number 1, pass number 3. Pass number 12, number 12, 4-3. Bam! Time out! Aglipan.
Idol Miko ah. Score natin 16-4. 12-point lead by Ugong Pasaway. They are on the yellow jersey. This is a battle between Ugong Pasaway and
next game natin, Bacolod versus
Aglipay.
Ugong 30 under. Back to the ball game.
Ugong Pasaway is solid. Grabe. They are the defending champion
Number 0-0,
in this league.
number 24, Santos. Number 24 setting the play. Pass number 0-0, Mendoza, mga pasubok sa 3. No good. Na-rebound ni number 52. Matias. Mukhang dadalatso. Whoop. Now our number 11, Bautista. Pass to number 21. Pulapis. No good. Na-rebound number 3. Brain. Pass number 52. Number 52, Dumungo. Goal for the goal! Nakakadalawa ka na. Pass to number 11, Bautista. Whoop! Foul number 12. First personal foul, second team foul.
Ito, malingi. Extend tayo isa.
Two shots given to number 11. First shot is no good. Second shot. Pass. Number 52 pass number 3. Number 3 tatawid ang bola. Binigay kay number 12. Sanchez mukhang titir sa tres. Binigay kay number 3. Pass number 1. Back to number 23. Number 23 for 3. No good. Na-rebound na number. Same ball. Number 4. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Inbound number 1. Pass number 12 for 3. No good. Na-rebound ni number 11. Pass number 24. Number 24. Layup is for goal. Number 3. Pass number 1. Number 1. Pass number 7, Podoy. Dumiretso, binigay number 52, Matias sa ilalim. No good para may foul. Foul number 11. First personal foul, third team foul. Two shots given to number 52. First shot is no good. Second shot is no good to 10. Na-rebound ni number 21, Tuguda. Binigay number 0. Number 00. Whoop. Pass number 24. Number 24 for 3. Bam! Good for 3. Score natin 10-18 in favor of yellow. Whoop! Number 3.
Nice.
Binigay sa ilalim. Nawala na. Steal number 4. Binigay kay number 00. Number 00. Natapakan na kuha number 24. Number 24. Pass to number 00. Goal for goal!
Nice pass.
Ang lupit mo. Number 12, pass number 3, pass number 1, Matias number 1, Domingo, Pulapis, good for goal. Number 11, pass number 24, mukhang dito binigay kay nakuha number 00, Mendoza, na-traffic, binigay kay number 21, Tuguda, good for goal.
Aray.
Number 7, pass number 3, pass number 1, Matias sa big play. Matias mukhang diretso. Pinate, binigay number 3. No good. Na-rebound. Foul number 52. Number 52. First personal foul. Third team foul. Wala tayong sub, mandatory yan hanggang 7 na. Kahit sino, kahit tito nyo, pasok mo. Number 24, pass to number 11, good for goal. Apat na lang ang kalamangan ng labasan.
Score score,
Number
2016.
3, setting the play.
2016.
Pass number 1, back number 3. Number 3 humatay, binigay sa ilalim. Pogoy, no good, naribang niya ulit. Nakuha niya ulit, put back is. Good for two. Number 24, 10 seconds to play. Pull up is, no good. Naribang number 7, 5 seconds to play. Basa na lang. Oh my God, dapat pala ganun ginawa ko eh.
Matias.
Panalo sa namin kung ano yung ginawa ko. Sayang. Turuan mo ako nun ha. Score natin, 16-25 in favor of Labasan.
9-point lead by Yellow Jersey.
Anong pangalan na nagaya ko ng bola? Shoutout sa lahat ng dumadating. Back to the ball, wing. Number 16. Pass number 00, Mendoza for 3. No good. Got rebound ni number 22.
Pasok. 2 consecutive 3 points by Ugong Pasaway. Galing ah. 2 in a row. Bautista. Score 31-20, 9-point lead by Ugong Pasaway. Pasok. 2 points by Corda. Score 33-24. 9-point lead by Ugong Pasaway. Artist Adventures. Panoorin mo sa YouTube. Anong pangalan ng channel ko? I-score natin 24-35. 11-point lead. 11-point lead by Ugong Pasaway. Pandikit yan sa cellphone. Sa cellphone, sa cellphone. Pwede rin sa salamin. Sa salamin.
Number 52, Pumeke. For the other top winning number 7, Podoy. No good. Foul. Ano time out?
Hi, say hi. Hi.
Yellow.
Yellow takes the lead, 35-26, 9-point lead by Ugong Pasaway. They are wearing yellow jersey against the pink jersey, which is the Ugly Pie. Thank you. Oh, 3 points.
Number 10. Sabilio. Sabilio sa play pass number 3.
That trims the lead. Ayan.
No good.
6-point lead.
Number 24 umikot. Number 24 ang bilis. Panis ka number 21.
Ang bilis.
No good pero may foul. Foul number 7. Number 7.
Ang bilis ng batang ito.
30 personal foul. Second team foul. First shot ni number 21, no good.
35-29.
Second throw is no good. Naripaw ni number. Foul. Foul number 7. Number 7, second personal foul, third team foul.
I'm Artist Adventures. YouTube and Facebook.
Number 10.
Oh, subscribe.
Pass number 7. Masyadong malakas. Number 16. Pass number 24. Santos. Spin trapeze. No good. Naripaw number 7. Pass number 3. Number 10. Pinasa sa ilalim ng tapek. Same ball. No good. Naripaw number 12. Number 12. No good ulit. Naripaw number 21. Number 21. Pass number 24.
Upload mo agad yan?
Yes, mamaya. Pagkatapos.
Two for two. Op. Talaga. Parang si Paus. Dito.
Nice. Icebreaker.
Number 16. Pass number 24. Pass number 20. Number 21 mga susunod stress. Number 20. 4-3. No good. Dari ball number 1. No good. Dari ball number 1. Put is put for 2. 35 seconds to play. Number 16.
Score is 39-29. Back to 10-point lead by Ugong Pasaway.
Padaan
Yellow.
mo muna. Dadaan ka ba? Yan.
10-point lead again mga kapogi. 10-point lead. 24.3 seconds. 24.3 seconds.
Pass number 1. Number 1 for 3. No good. 15 seconds to play. Number 20. Number 20 mo sa gasa. Number 20 Leapes. Go for 2. Number 10 Sabilio. Go for 3. Score natin 31-42 in favor of Labasan.
11-point lead by Yellow Jersey.
pag nangyari Madalas at ito nagsasabi Di kaya mo di bala, di naman ganito
Back to the ball game. Yan, hinihintay ko. Yan, yung number 5 talaga nagdadala dyan. Yan na. Fresh. Takin. Si Cardo ay magtakin. Number 5, Patino, makatitira sa Laundry. Pinigay kay number 0. Binalik. Tumira ka sa Laundry. No goal. Dali ba ni number 16. Number 16, ang bilis. Binigay kay number 0. Pass number 16. Number 16, 4-3. No good. Dali ba ni number 11. Binigay sa kalaban. Binigay kay number 8. Pass number 0. Number 0, binigay kay number 8. Good for 2. First pass. Number 11. Pass number 0-0. Back to number 11. Binigay number 0-0. Sumubog sa low 3. No good. Not even number 5. Pass number 0-0. Whoop. Masyadong malakas yun, pare. Foul number 5. First personal foul. First team foul. Good for 2 by number 11.
Bautista.
Number 0, mukhang dadala ito. Number 0, Buruelo. Lepes, good for 2. Ano yung court to court? Lupit mo ha. Alam mo ha. Ugong din. Number 11. Pass number 16. Binigay kay number 21. Puga. No good. Not about number 5. Number 5. Easy lang daw. Easy lang. Mukhang titira sa lottery. Alam mo ah. Number 22. Pass to number 0. Pass number 26. No good. Nakuha ni number 1. Pass number 16. Number 16. Number 16. Bumunggo. Binigay kay number 21. Back number 16. Pass number 1. Santos. Binigay. Oh! Yung goal. Kaya ka na left foot bakit? Goal for 2! Ang lupit mo. Nasa number 16. Nataparan. Nakuha number 22. Pass number 8. Kilala. Pass number 0. Number 0. Bumuelo. Binigay kay number 5. Number 5. No good pero may foul. Foul number 11. Number 11. Second personal foul. First team foul. First round at number 5. First throw is no good. Late. Second throw is no good pa rin. Carry ball number 16.
Score 46-35. 46-35. 11-point lead.
Number 16 Lumate. Binigay sa ilalim. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Good for 2. Score natin. 37-46. Number 0. Whoop, 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 whoop. Foul. Foul number 16. First personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots Robinson number 0. Ano yan? Palit pa ah? No good. Gaya niyo sa G. Kulang na pitek pre. Paso. Hindi mo pinipit yung kamay mo eh. Number 16. Pass number 0-0. Binigay kay number 21. Number 21. Pass number 0-0. Number 0-0. Go. Number 22. Binigay kay number 0-0. Whoop. Number 26. No good. Not rebound number 16. Injury, time out. Palitan na lang. Injury time out lang. Asap na pala. Third na pala.
Score 46-39. 7-point lead by
0-0.
Ugong Pasaway.
Number 0-0. Number 0-0. Binigay number 24. Kung ang pupul sa 3. Number 6. Number 21. Pulapes. Goal for 2.
Score
Kalamangan ng labasan.
46-41. 46-41.
Pass number 5. Number 5. Bumungo. Number 5. Number 5. Goal for 2 by number 5. Number 0-0, Mendoza. Mendoza sa tingin play. Binigay sa ilalim masyado mataas. Nakuha number 7, number 12. Pass number 3. Pass number 5. Number 5, Patinho, mukhang diretso. Patinho bumunggo. Patinho, nawala ang bola. Yellow ball. Ay, pink pala.
Score 48-41.
Sorry.
7-point lead by Ugong Pasaway.
So 0, pass to number 24. 24. Mukhang diretso. 24, binigay number 11, number 11. No good na rin number 1. Pupakis. No good pero may foul. Foul number 12. Number 12. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Shooting 2. First is no good. Second shot is
Good.
substitution. Number 16, number 20, team lang.
Score 48-42. 6-point lead by
Number 3,
Yellow.
Palisok. Pass to number 29, back to number 3. Binigay sa gitna, number 12 for 3. Bang!
Oh, Santos. Score is 51-42. 9-point lead by Ugong Pasaway.
Number 0-0. Pass number 16. Babawe. No good. Naripaw ni number 5. Foul. Foul number 20. First personal foul. 13 foul. Number 3. Pass number 12. Number 12. Binigay kay number 3. Pass number 7. Nasundot. Nakuha number 5. Good for 2 by number 7. Number 24. Pass number 20. Number 20. Binigay sa ilalim ng number 7. Number 5. Number 5. Number 5. Number 5. Number 5. Number 5. Ala. Pass number 3. Back number 5. Number 5. Sumubok sa 3. No good. Na-rebound ni number 221. Number 21. Pass number 0-0. Foul. Foul number 12. Number 12. Warning for Broadway. Third team foul. First shot is no good. Second release. No good pa rin. Na-rebound na number 5. Pass number 3. Binigay kay number 29. Number 29. No good. Na-rebound na number 20. Nakindot. Nice rin number 3. Isa ba? Binigay kay number 5. Number 5 for 3. No good. Na-rebound na number 20. Pass number 0. Masyado malakas.
Score 53-42. 11-point lead
Number 3.
ng mga dilaw.
Pass number 12. Number 12. No good. Rebound number 20. No good. Na-rebound number 5. Natapala. Nauna number 3. Pass number 12. Left is no good. Putback is no good. Na-rebound number 21. Number 21. Number 21. Binigay sa ilalim. No good. Sub. Number 11 in, number 16 out. Ay, number 20 pala. Chill out. Number 9 for 3. No good. Na-rebound ni number 7. Giyanan. Pass number 3. Sumubok sa 3. No good pa rin. Na-rebound na number 16. Number 5. Pass number 3. Pass number 9. No good pa rin. Pass number 21. 3 auto play. Binigay kay number 24. Number 24. Pass number 1. Go for 2 by number 0-0. 1 minute and 25 seconds to play. Binigay sa gitna, binigay sa gilid. Number 7, lumipad. No good. Na-rebound niya ulit. Binigay kay number 12. Number 12 for 3. No good pa rin. Nakuha number 11. Pass break kay number 0-0. Number 0-0, 11. Go for 2. Scoring machine. Number 0-0.
3 consecutive points. 48-53.
Seconds to play.
48-53.
Pass number 3. Binigay kay number 5. Binigay sa gilid. Number 7. Pass number 12. Number 12. Naipit. Nasundot. Nakuha niya ulit. No good. 3 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. No good. Nakuha na number 24. Good for 2, may kasama pa foul. Foul number 3. Number 3.
Lead is down to 3.
First personal foul.
50.
Warning for penalty.
53-50.
Score natin 50-53 in favor of Labasan.
3-point lead by
Bonus
Yellow.
throw para kay number 24 Santos. Bonus throw is no good na ibang number 11. Ang Bautista. Binigay number 00 Mendoza. 10 seconds to shoot. Good for three. 5 seconds to shoot. 5
Deadlock!
seconds to shoot.
Grabe deadlock.
Passer na lang,
53.
Marinig. Passer na lang.
Woo!
And deadlock.
Nice.
Quarter.
Deadlock.
Score natin. Deadlock 53.
Galing! Nice! Ganda na laban.
Nakakataas. Naiiyak ko dito.
Deadlock at 53. Deadlock at 53. Yung mag-deadlock yung score nyo tapos kalaban nyo yung labasan aka Ugong Pasaway, napakalaking bagay nun. Achievement talaga yun. They are the defending champion. Na-challenge yung Ugong ah. Back to the ball game ba? Deadlock at 53. Nice. Aglipa is giving a great game. Aglipa is giving in a great game. Grabe.
Number 24. Pass number 16. Number 16 Bumiyak. Nakuha niya ulit. Pass number 11. Good for two by number 11.
Change favor. 55-53.
Over tayo.
Lamang ng dalawang Aglipa eh.
Number 10. 19. Nakuha niya number 24. Pass number 24. Same ball. No go, dari para number 8. Pass number 0. Number 0. Foul. Foul number 11. Number 11. Third personal foul. First team foul. Inbound number 0. Pass number 8. Kilala. Kilala binigay sa gilid. Number 10. Pull up is no good. Naribon number 0. Number 0. Layup is no good. Pero may foul. Foul number 20. Number 20. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots given to number 0. Cardo. Oh, batang GE. Yabang. First throw is no good. Second throw is stop. Number 11. Pass number 24. Back number 11. Number 11. Layup is good for two.
Oh, 57-54. 3-point lead by Aglipay.
Number 10. Pass number 1. Number 1, Matias. Bumunggo. Pull up is no good. Naribon niya ulit. Putok is good for two.
Down to 1-point lead by Aglipay. Lamang ang pink ng isa.
Number 8, pass to number 10. Pass to number 1. Feed up is no good. Not even number 16. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 24. Not really number 0. Pass number 11. Good for 2. Score natin 59-56 in favor of Aglipay. Number 8, Kilala. Pass number 1. Pass number 0. Number 0 for 3. No good. Not even number 11. Pass number 0-0 Mendoza. 2-on-2 play. Mendoza, diretso kaya. Umikot. Nice steal. Nakuha na number 10. Pulapit. No good. Not even number 20. Pass number 0-0. Pass number 16. Number 16. No good. Reserve. Number 8, Kilala. No good. Naribon number 16. Number 16. 3-on-3 play. Pass number 11. Number 11, pull up is no good. Pull up is super good. Aglipay.
Score is 58-59, only 1 point lead
Score
by.
natin 59-58 in favor of Labasan. Sa Aglipay, under 2 minutes na lang yung time-out nyo.
59-58 in
Labasan,
favor
dalawa
of.
pa. Kung gusto nyo pumili, 200.
Lamang ng 1 point
Ang hingin
ang
namin.
Aglipay.
Promise ko yan ang pangako, pataga mo sa bato para kaya naman sila.
Idol ko to eh, anyari. Next game.
Inbound number 1, pass number 0-0, Mendoza. Mendoza ay tatawid ang bola. Mendoza sa to play. Pass number 16. Number 16 nagamit tapos number 1. Number 1. Pass number 0-0. Number 0-0. Sumagasa binigay sa kilid. Number 24. Good yan. Good for 2.
Yun. 1 point lead by.
Tayo, lamang na ang gilaw.
1 point lead by Ugong Pasaway.
Foul number 0. Number 0. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 16. Pass number 24. Binigay sa gilid. Number 1. Number 1. Natrapi. Binigay sa kalaban. Number 0. Binigay kay Rex. Rex layup it. Good for 2.
62-59.
Balik sa tatlo ang inahabol ng Aglipay. Under 2 minutes para. Ano ko tayo mo? Asan yung bola? Inbound number 1. Pass to number 0. Pass number 1. Number 1. Kumeke. Pull up is. No good. Number 16. Pass number 21. Number 24. Goal for two by number 21. Number 0, mukhang susubok sa tres.
Score
Number 0,
62-61.
Number 1, Matias for 3.
Oh. Back to 4-point lead.
Number 11, pass number 24. Number 24. Pass number 16. Pass number 0-0. Sumubok sa tres. No good. Number
65-61. 4-point lead by Labasan.
Number 3. Number 11. No good. Good for two by number 5. Good for two by number 0-0. Time out. Labasan.
Score 67-63. 4-point lead by Ugong Pasaway, Labasan.
Back to the ball game. Number 1. No good. Line violation. Bola na at lumipad. Number 24. Number 24 setting play. Pass number 16. Number 16 for 3. No good.
$69-63. 6-point lead by Yellow Jersey. $71-63. 8-point lead. Lumalaki yung kalamangan dito.
Ten seconds to shoot. 5. Not even number 20, pass number 11. 3 on to play. Number 11, Neves, no good. Meron pa isa. Good for 2. ball game. Next game natin, Bacolod versus Ugong. 30 under. Ano natin? Senior.
73-63. 10-point lead by Yellow Jersey.
Number 0-0. Pass number 11. Number 11 for 3. No good. Bola na. Yellow. Back to the ball game. Full for 2.
65-73.
Number 10. Sulap, hindi pala. Binigay kay number 10. Binigay, ano yung budol? Napakalupit na na. Narimo na number 21. Pasok kay number 00. Number 00. Natapalan. Okay, sana.
$65-75, 10-point lead.
And that's the ball game. Si Carlo MVP. Si Carlo ang best player.
Ikaw the best player.
Tatlo. Best player. Number 12 saka number 1.
Kamukha nito yung number 9. Congrats. Labas. Labasan.